Disassembly of any electronic device involves a certain risk. To replace it successfully, please operate it by professionals. For disassembling your iPhone, discharge the battery below 25. Power off your iPhone. Remove the 2 pentalobe screws with the pentalobe screwdriver. Apply a suction cup to the display assembly. Pull up on the suction cup with firm. To create a slight gap between the front panel and rear case, insert triangle opening tool into the gap. Slide the opening tool to disconnect its adhesive. Widen the gap slowly. Slide towards the volume button and pause at the volume button. Continue to break up the leftover adhesive. Attention: do not pry along the top edge of the iPhone, maybe damage the plastic clips securing the display. Pull the display assembly slightly away from the top edge of the iPhone. To disengage the clips holding it to the rear case, open the iPhone from the left side of the display. Do not lift up the display more than 90 degrees. Otherwise may damage cables. Remove Phillips screws. Place screws orderly, don't mix up. Otherwise your iPhone will be damaged. Remove the metal piece. Remove 2 screws on the top of screen holding the screen cable. Remove the metal piece. Pry the front panel sensor assembly connector and separate the display. Remove the screen. Remove adhesive strip. The battery is secured by 3 pieces of adhesive strips. Remove the bottom adhesive strip. Peel off the adhesive tab gently. Don't puncture the battery. Pull the adhesive out from under the battery, toward the bottom of the iPhone. Slow down. Take your time to pull the adhesive out and remove it. Don't pull too hard to pull the adhesive away. Otherwise adhesive might be broken and cannot pull out fully. Repeat for removing the leftover adhesive strips. If the adhesive strips accidentally broke off, and the battery remains stuck to the rear case, use a hairdryer to heat the rear case for 1 minute to soften the adhesive. Don't overheat the iPhone, or you may accidentally ignite the battery. Use a plastic spudger to gently pry the battery. Don't puncture the battery. Remove the battery. Apply the adhesive on the new battery. Place new battery in the iPhone and connect battery cable. Adjust the position of the battery, press to fix the battery. Connect the screen cable. Be sure all cables will go back to same place removed from and slot into place. Otherwise the phone may not work, such as touch function cannot work, or damage phone motherboard and display connector. Turn on the phone, test and make sure it is successful. Open screen again. Put the metal piece back and install screws. Be careful not to mix the screws. Screws need to be installed back to same place removed from, otherwise iPhone will be damaged. Note the screen cable is relatively fragile, you must hold the screen firmly during the whole process, and do not pull or squeeze the cable. Carefully press the screen into the top of the frame. Snap down the screen until it clicks into place. Turn on the phone, test and make sure it is successful. If the phone cannot turn on, maybe battery is out of power, charge it for 15 minutes. Then install the two pentalobe screws. Thank you for watching.